Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to block comments on a Facebook page post. We start by opening Facebook and we go to the post we want. After that, we click on its 3 options points. Next, we click on the option, Who can comment on your post? Finally, we can filter who can comment on the post. You can directly choose that only the profiles and pages you mention can comment, and thus only you will decide who can leave comments. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.